Hi, welcome to Boomi Services and Support YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate about the FHIR client operation called Get Resource. So this is a sample Boomi process that I've created here to demonstrate the Get Resource operation. As in my previous video, I'm using FHIR server, which is a public sandbox environment where you can explore it for your testing and educational purposes. So if I click the connection here, it is a FHIR server URL and the authentication type is none. Now let me go back to the connector here, and the action is get to retrieve a confined resource. Let me create a new operation for it. I will do an import operation. Here I am selecting my local atom, and this is the existing connection, and I'm selecting the FHIR version as R4 standard. The document format is JSON. Let me click next here. So I want to select the object type as patient, and let me click next. Click finish. Here you can see that a response profile is automatically loaded based on the object type. Let me hit Let me change the name before I hit the save button. Patient get operation. I'll do patient object get operation FHIR. I'll hit save and close. So in order to get a specific patient's information or resource, we would need to specify the uh, ID for it, the patient ID. So let me do import one parameter for passing the ID. Let me do a dynamic process property that I can pass through the runtime extensions. Let me click OK. Hit save. Let me test it with my local atom. So here in this case, I will click test extensions and go to dynamic process property and paste the ID here. Let me go for a patient ID. This is a sample patient ID that you can find uh, on the FHIR server documentation. Hit OK. Let's see if it returns a response. Okay, it returned a response. You can actually see it's making a get HTTP call to the patient resource. Let me show you the response. Yep, we got the patient name, Michael, and date of birth, gender, and relevant details. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Happy integrating.